Good morning, class. Good morning, sir. So we are going to study geography, right? So geography, it is derived from two words, geo plus graphy. Geo meaning earth and graphy means description. It means in geography we describe the earth. So first of all, let us start our subject with a very popular thought. Geography is more than just maps. It helps us understand our complex words. So from here we can understand geography is not all about map. When we have to understand our environment very beautifully, we studied geography. So before starting our chapter, we will be studying the physical features of India, relief features of India. So before going there, let us come to the topic importance of geography. Why geography is important? There are some points you have to tell one by one each of them. Number one is understanding the environment, like how geography makes us understand the environment. Resource management, how geography manages the resource. Globalization and interconnectedness, how geography facilitates globalization and interconnectedness. And urban planning and development, again we will see how it helps us to understand the urban planning, and when we are going to develop any particular area, how geography is helping. Number 5 is disaster risk reduction, how geography helps in reducing the disaster risk. Number 6 is cultural understanding. Again, we'll know that how it helps to understand the culture or many cultures of a particular area. Number 7 is economic development, how geography tells us about the economic development. And number 8 is environmental conservation, how geography is going to conserve our environment. So first of all, I would like to call Arisha come and explain understanding the development.
Good morning everyone, this is Arisha. So here's the topic is understanding the environment. We understand the natural environment including climate, landforms, water bodies and ecosystem. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Haya Azhar, and now I'm going to tell you about globalization and interconnectedness. Geography helps us understand global connection, trade routes, and cultural exchanges between nations. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Iram Khan and I am going to tell you about urban planning and developments. Geography is essential for urban planning, sustainable city growth, and infrastructure development. Thank you.
I am Arfia Zamir. I am here to tell you about disaster risk reduction. Geography helps us to identify and mitigate the natural hazards such as earthquakes, hurricanes, and floods. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell you about cultural understanding. Geography promotes cultural awareness and appreciation of diverse traditions, customs and ways of life. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Fikra Zamir, and today I am going to tell you about economic development. So geography influences economic activities such as agriculture, industries and tourism, and it also helps us to understand global economic patterns. Thank you.
So now we are done with the importance of geography topic. We will move to our next topic, that is physical features of India. In this topic, we will be studying what are the physical features of our country. Number 1 is the Himalayan mountains. Number 2 is the northern plains. Very good. The northern plain. Third one is the peninsular plateau. The peninsular plateau. Number 4, the Indian desert. Number 5, the coastal plains. And number 6 is the islands. Okay, so there are 6 physical features, or you can name it the relief features of India. So in the Himalayan mountains, this is the map of India. So you can see the Himalayan mountains, they are located here. There are 3 main ranges. Can you name that 3 main ranges? Number 1 is Himachal, and number 2 is Himadri, and third one is Shivalik. So these 3 ranges, Himachal, Himadri and Shivalik range. The second one, the northern plains. So this is the area of the northern plains. This is plain area, right? The third one is peninsular plateau. What do you understand by the word peninsula? Do you know the word peninsula? What does it mean? A piece of land which is surrounded by water from 3 sides. So in the case of India, you will see this area, it is surrounded by water from 3 sides. In the right, it is Bay of Bengal, and in the left it is Arabian Sea, and in south it is Indian Ocean. So this area is surrounded by water from three sides. Coming to the fourth point, the Indian desert. So can someone of you locate the Indian desert? In which state the Indian desert lies? Rajasthan. And fifth one is the coastal plains. The coastal plains are located in coastal areas beside which ocean? Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So this is the coastal plain. You can see the word Coromandel coast, northern Sirkar. This is eastern coast or western coast? Which coast is this? Western coast. And this is western coast. And the last one is the islands. Islands. How many islands does India have? Two groups of islands there. In Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Island is there, and in Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island is there. Okay, thank you class.